Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your TikTok inbox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok application. Go to your TikTok, and then if you want to open the TikTok inbox, you can simply tap on this inbox menu right here. That's so easy, right? And here you'll be able to track your TikTok inbox from your followers, maybe. You can also search for an account by tapping on the search menu. This is the search menu, and you will be able to search for an account or a group chat. And if you want to create group chat on your TikTok inbox, you just need to click on this plus button, and then you can select someone you want to add to your group chat like this, and then you are going to click on start group chat. Alright guys, and that's all the way to check TikTok inbox. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.